Hi, this is Susie, still doing my Christmas series. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell and join me for my Christmas series. If you would like to join me, let me know in the comments below and I'll link the video of yours in the comments section. There's plenty of time. This is my Santa Christmas tree. I wrapped some red lights around them so it would show up at night. And I just draped some red lights down the side. We got Santas. We got a few blue bulbs in there. Some silver picks and some red bulbs. Gold bells. Some blue packages. Ice skates. Little bird. Some more blue packages and silver bells. Blue bulbs. Some silver bulbs. More picks. And two birds in there. Draped it with garland. And down below we have a Christmas village. They all light up. Got some trees, some Santas, and that's the hunting lodge. Mary carrying her baby on the donkey. Toy shop, a bake shop, fire engine house, more Santas, Santa on his sleigh, some benches to sit, some snowmen, couple churches, and we got some Santas in the back and a big angel back there. Another Santa, more Santas back there. And this is a nighttime view. My Santa Christmas tree. And my Christmas village all lit up. Angel in the back. Loving Christmas, having fun decorating. I enjoyed putting this together and sharing this. Loving Christmas. Thank you so much for watching and joining me. Now have more to come. Bye-bye for now.